Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here at Penwick East, and I am here in Oroscale Railway in version 2.4. Yeah, I haven't really filmed this game for a long time for basically lag reasons. It's really hard to join anyway. Sometimes it takes me about 2 to 5 times to join just to get the game running. Because when I do, my screen turns black and I just have to redo it, so yeah. So this is basically really the only time that I get to play in this game today, so I'm going to make the best of it, so enjoy. And also in this video we will see quite a lot of trains, so yeah, pretty cool. Class 360. We have a Class 350 full car about to pass. All of the trains will be passing through the platform, and not the express track. We have the Class 365 Happy Train.
Platform does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge.
Arriving, we have a Redrail service. I know Redrail trains don't stop here, but due to the delays on the network, Redrail trains will be making extra stops here at Penwick East. So the announcements are wrong. For this one at least. I mean, if they announce them, of course. Oh, what a surprise! It's the Class 379, I believe. Class 379 departing. We have a Class 321 about to pass. This will be the last electric Redrail train seen in this video. And also just a quick reminder, in this game I am quite laggy, so if anything glitches out, it's not YouTube or Google, whatever you're watching from, whatever website. It's not glitching out, it is most likely me that's glitching out. So, I have a Class 317 double configuration about to pass. With the Class 321 motor sound, very similar. Or they're the same, I don't know. Approaching us, we have a Class 700 or 707. I keep getting mixed up with that, but we have a Class 700/707. I don't know which one here. This train is arriving, as the announcement said. The Class 700/707 is now departing. Approaching us, we have another train that I forgot the name of. The train is 5 cars long, all carriages. Now approaching us, we have another train that I forgot the name of. I think it's a 458. It is 5 cars long, I believe. approaching us in about 1 to 2 minutes. We'll be having a class 465. This will be the last double configuration train for the video. The last train on the video will be passing very shortly here at Penwick East. It is a double configuration of a class 465.
The train approaching the platform is a commuter service.
Announcements are wrong, this train is not arriving, it is passing. And as I said, this is the last train. Hope you guys enjoyed the Oroscale Railway video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.